Hi, I'm Rita from VIDA Design Studio. I am a Brazilian former architect. Today I work mainly with interiors and building biology. I'm very passionate about what I do. This project was a real bliss to work with, both because of the site and also because of the clients. The site is located in Calabodra Valley, so making sure that I would address and respond to that beautiful environment was key to this project. One of the most important aspects of this project for me was as soon as you step into the house, you walk through the entry foyer, you have this amazing, beautiful glass panel overlooking the pool and the creek. So as soon as I saw that, I understood that whatever materials I would choose to frame that view would be key for the project, for both responding to the site in a way of giving value to that amazing scenario without competing with it, but also actually working together with it. Materiality for this project, I really wanted to use natural materials. The clients already had a very good idea of the color palette that they wanted to use, and it was actually perfect for that site. Medium to dark timbers, grays, very warm grays with minor touches of colors and lots of greenery. One of the things that I like about working with timber is that it brings so much warmth, so allows you to even have large panels of stone in a bedroom without making it look too cold. A very important aspect for me as well is not only the sustainability of the Modinex group products, but also the healthy aspect of it. As a building biologist, I am also looking at VOCs and formaldehyde emissions, glues, and even the possibility of applying the code that I would like to specify on top of the timber. So I make sure that it's a very healthy one as well. The choice to use Modinex Castelation Screenclad was pretty natural. The product suited so well the whole concept and materiality of the design, and ended up being the perfect material for framing that so special view on both the TV and fireplace wall, ceiling, and turning down in the living room as well. I remember when the builders had just installed the panels up on the ceiling. I went for a site visit with the clients and the builder, and everyone was so amazed. Everyone was looking up and loving it. Even the smell, the beautiful smell of the cedar timber was beautiful. I'm very glad that I chose that product for this project because it responded perfectly to what I wanted to achieve.